Hello everyone, Laura here. In this video, we'll be making this simple yet very delicious double chocolate chip cookies anybody can make at home. In a clean bowl, we will add 150 grams of soft butter. If your butter is not soft, you can put it in the microwave for 10 seconds. Half cup of brown sugar or 100 grams, half cup of white sugar or 100 grams, 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar. Mix everything together to properly combine or to become creamy. One medium-sized egg. Crack separately before adding it to avoid the shell entering just like mine. Mix together. Add 2 cups of all-purpose flour or 240 grams. Half teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix together to form a soft dough. Add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Mix properly. Half cup of chocolate chips or 100 grams. Mix well using a spatula. Refrigerate for 1 hour so that you can get the perfect round shape cookies after baking. Scoop some dough, mold into balls and flatten with your palms. Place on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Add more chocolate chips on top for extra flavor. Bake in the oven at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes. And your double chocolate chip cookies is ready. Enjoy the way you want, with tea, with coffee. It's very yummy, it's very soft, it's very easy to make. If you have watched up to this extent, thank you so much. Please support the channel by liking, subscribing, commenting. Thank you. Let me know the country you're watching from in the comment section so that I can send you a big hug in my next video. Please write in the comment section any video you'd like me to recreate, any video suggestions you want me to make. I will read through all of them. Thank you so much, and I'll try as possible to recreate them for you. Bye.